Hi, I'm Luke, and today we'll be opening this Thomas and Friends Take and Play Ferdinand. If we take a look at Ferdinand closely, we'll notice he has his cheerful face on the front, with his buck teeth. He also has the symbol on the side of him and his tender, with the trees and the axes. We'll notice he has 8 wheels, 4 on each side, for the engine, and 4 wheels with 2 on each side for the tender. We'll also notice the tender is holding a bunch of logs, but they don't come out. We'll notice that the other side looks exactly the same. Now that we've seen him, let's go ahead and see what Ferdinand looks like on the tracks. Whoa, let's see that again in slow motion. Wow, that was fun, Ferdinand. I don't think I've had this much fun in a while. I hope we can have this much fun with the next Thomas friend. Thanks for watching. Now, you can watch another one of my Thomas and Friend videos, or one of my other friends' videos. Our pictures are always in the corner like these 4 examples. And please, don't forget to subscribe.